99.3% of YouTubers have failed, and only 0.67% succeed on YouTube. But one day, you too can become a successful YouTuber with millions of subscribers and viral videos. But what if you only have 100 subscribers after a year? Frustrating, isn't it? Today, I'll tell you about the top 11 mistakes that most people make, which prevent them from succeeding on YouTube. Make sure to watch till the end, because the last mistake could change your YouTube journey. Many creators make top-notch videos and provide good knowledge in their starting time. But after 4 days, they lose their enthusiasm. The reason your video isn't going viral isn't because of its quality, but due to a lack of SEO. No matter how good your video is, always remember, don't ignore SEO. Use the right keywords, tags, and relevant descriptions so that your videos can appear in searches. Now let's talk about another common mistake that both small and big YouTubers make: not engaging with the audience. Due to work pressure, many creators don't talk to their audience, which causes viewers to lose interest in their content. Remember, connecting with the audience is very important. Reply to comments, take feedback, interact with community posts, or stay active on other social media. This will make viewers feel valued, and they won't miss your videos. Now let's talk about a mistake that even big YouTubers have made. It's necessary to change yourself according to trends. For instance, a channel like Technical Yogi was growing rapidly in 2021 and 22, but they didn't improve their skills and editing. Despite having close to 2 million subscribers, their average views are between 20 to 40,000. If you don't keep up with trends and update your content style, your channel will go down. Always follow trends and make necessary changes to your branding. 94% of small YouTubers make another big mistake: not focusing on one niche. Many creators think that uploading videos in one category is enough, but they don't understand that it's necessary to create content in a specific niche with a small audience. This builds a loyal audience. Later, when you have a large audience, you can experiment with other niches. Doing this with a small niche will negatively affect your watch time and CTR, which will stop your channel's growth. Copying others is another mistake. You might get views for a short time, but original content is necessary for long-term growth. Some creators copy others' content and get trolled or can't handle their channel, causing it to die within a few months. Remember, be unique and let your personality shine. Not learning from analytics is a big mistake. Many creators have skills and knowledge, but they don't check analytics, so they don't realize their mistakes. This often leads to frustration and they quit their channel. Always look at analytics, which video is performing well and which isn't. This will show you where to improve, like in thumbnails or editing. Every creator makes a common mistake: learning but not applying. Many people gain YouTube knowledge but don't implement it. They start with enthusiasm but lose consistency over time. The algorithm favors consistent creators, so upload regular content. Consistency is the key to growing a channel. Another mistake is impatience. Success doesn't come overnight. Be patient and keep working on your content. Many creators get impatient, wanting quick success, but remember, hard work and patience pay off. Promoting to the wrong audience is a big mistake. Many small YouTubers make the mistake of promoting their videos or channels through big YouTubers, which brings an audience that doesn't match their niche. This hurts the video's performance. Instead, collaborate with channels your size for healthy growth. Lastly, giving up quickly is not just a mistake, but also a lesson. Remember, failure is part of the journey. Don't give up. Keep pushing. If you're serious about becoming a YouTuber, work hard and achieve success without giving up. Now go and fix these mistakes. If you don't know how to hook the audience in the intro, what are you waiting for? Go watch videos on this topic. There are many ways to create engaging intros. Thanks for watching.